This video explains how to create and print a transcript for any student. The purpose of a transcript is to provide credit for the courses the student has completed. Think of a transcript as a final report after the courses have been completed. The transcript report can be printed from the printer icon on the Gradebook tab, Book icon, or Reports tab, Pie chart icon. A Print Transcripts button is also available in the My Students section of the parent profile. Once selected, the pop-up window will provide details for the transcript. The school name must be filled in as shown here. Choosing the date range is very important for the transcript. If the student had courses for a previous year, choosing a previous year for the start date will allow those to show up. For the end date, choosing today's date or beyond will include any courses the student is currently assigned. Once the dates are chosen, the system will bring up all the courses the student has records for on the Hub. The parent can choose which courses to include on the transcript. In the print window, the report shows the school name and the parent name, the student name and address. The academic year is the date range entered when choosing the dates. The grade indicates the level assigned to the student. GPA is an overall grade calculated from the final grades in all courses and the credits earned. To change the grade, return to the parent profile. Click on the parent's name and select Edit next to the student's name. In the student information box, the currently assigned grade level can be found. Click on the box and change it to the appropriate grade. Scroll back up and make sure to save the changes. Adding additional courses to the transcript is easy by utilizing the Custom Course option. In this example, the student was taking English Comp 1 at the local community college. The course had no final, but grades were given for each paper written throughout the semester. To learn more about custom courses, watch the Create a Custom Course video. Creating a record of grades using the transcript report can help complete the student's records. This is another way the Hub can assist parents in staying organized and on track.